The videos you just watched were created with the new Kling's video model, KLING 3.0, inside Higgsfield AI. That was incredible, wasn't it? In the beginning of this week, Higgsfield hinted that they were about to reveal KLING on their X page, and honestly, it was mind-blowing. The features, the information they shared, and the press release itself, it was really impressive. I was genuinely excited about it. They finally released it today, and I'm going to show you the video because it's absolutely crazy. If you check X and you're following Higgsfield, just visit Higgsfield's X profile. You'll see this video, and trust me, it's insane. Let's watch the video together.
클링 3.0 보셨어요?
¿Ya está disponible?
Just calm down.
Yeah, just relax for a second, right? Yeah, I feel the same way. I had the exact same reaction. It's seriously cool. Higgsfield always delivers the latest updates, always rolls out the newest features, AI models, and KLING, and honestly, it never disappoints. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is go to the description. There's a link there. Once you click it, it'll take you directly to this page. Like I mentioned earlier, you'll see options for exploring images and videos. There are tons of features available. It doesn't matter whether you're a professional, you can instantly jump straight to the feature you want, or if you're a beginner, an amateur, or this is your first time using Higgsfield or AI, which I doubt, this is where you should start. If you want to create images, you click on Image and select your AI model. My personal favorite is Nano Banana Pro Unlimited here on Higgsfield. You can generate unlimited images, Nano Banana style, with no copyright issues directly from here. Or you can simply click here and select KLING 2.6 if your goal is to create videos. For the sake of this video, we'll choose KLING 3.0. Right now, a lot of people are using KLING 3.0 model. Everyone is testing it and checking it out. Because of that, it's extremely busy and in very high demand. There's massive usage happening. So you hover over video here, choose KLING 3.0, and it will automatically redirect you here. So what exactly do we know about KLING? Honestly, it's insanely powerful. KLING 3.0 basically supports text to video, image to video, reference to video, and even full video content. That means you can upload an image, add something as a starting point, and it will generate a video for you up to 15 seconds with audio, effects, and all the amazing features in a single output. Now let's talk about the core feature, or the most exciting part, which is multi-shot generation. Before, when creating a video, you only had one prompt, and inside that prompt, you had to include every detail, every shot, every scene, and hope the AI followed your instructions properly. Now, you don't have to do that anymore. Why? Because you can divide your prompt into 3 separate prompts. The first one is for scene A, prompt 2 is for scene B, prompt 3 is for scene C. Let me show you how it works. You go here and click like this. You can upload an image here. You also have an optional start and end frame if you want. Then you'll see prompt 1, prompt 2, and prompt 3. You select KLING 3.0, then click Generate. What does this mean? It means KLING, powered by the AI model, will follow your instructions 100%. Previously, everything was placed into a single prompt with all the details packed together. The problem was that the output was never perfect. The AI wouldn't follow everything accurately. But now, with KLING 3.0, upgraded from KLING 2.6, it follows every detail exactly. You now get 3 separate scenes, and you can clearly control the length of the video like this, up to 15 seconds for each shot. Because so many people are currently using AI on Higgsfield, things can get a bit crazy. Sometimes you won't be able to generate instantly because of high traffic. Just wait a few minutes or even a couple of hours and it'll be resolved. Then you can select 1080p, choose your aspect ratio, select the AI model here, and click Generate. Now here's another important thing about KLING. It supports audio. Audio is already built in. You don't need to spend time searching for other AI platforms or royalty-free audio sources just to add sound effects or background audio. Everything is already included. You can also add multiple images to your video to enhance the final output. The quality is very clear, and honestly, the audio sounds incredibly clean. The details, the lip sync, the wording, the text, everything looks sharp. Whether it's signs, menus, brochures, or any on-screen text, the text accuracy is excellent. You won't see any random symbols, weird characters, or broken text issues in your videos. All you need to do is visit Higgsfield and sign up. I've included the link in the description. Check it out. You don't need to pay anything. Just test it for free. Higgsfield supports new users, and since you're one of them, you'll get the opportunity to try it at no cost. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.